Hi, Adam Waxler here, broker and owner of You Keep Commission Real Estate, and I am at my latest listing, 4127 Morning Place in Sarasota, Florida. This home is in a great location. It's a cute little neighborhood called Morning Glory Ridge. It's a mix of older homes and newer homes. If you look in the neighborhood, you can see there's some newer homes. All these across the street, these are all newer homes. And the street dead ends, so you have no through traffic over here. Okay. And it's right off of Beneva and Bee Ridge. So you're 15 minutes to, Siesta Key, 20 minutes to the airport. Beautiful front door here. And what you're gonna love is this bright open floor plan and high 10-foot ceilings. So there's nice, beautiful laminate floors. When you walk in, your two-car garage is off to the left here. Zoom out just a little bit. Your kitchen, little dining area. And you do have a half bath and a bedroom over here. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2.5 bath. So here's your half bath. And here's one of the bedrooms. Okay, we'll come back out to the main area. And your kitchen. Beautiful counters, tile backsplash, glass cabinet doors, nice light fixtures. And then we have, it's 2239 square feet, so just shy of 2,300 square feet. Over here you have a laundry room. And you have your, one of the other bedrooms here. Obviously, we've got a gamer and a movie buff in this house. Here's one of the bathrooms. Nice quartz counters, nice tile floor, tile shower. And then over here is the large master bedroom. A large walk-in closet. And a very large master bath. Dual sinks, quartz counters. All right, bring you out to the main room and I'll show you the backyard. This home sits on just about 1/3 of an acre. So you have a large lot. And you also have a large lanai. Oh, by the way, these are everything here is hurricane impact. Hurricane impact windows, hurricane impact slider, garage door, all of it. So no need to worry about hurricanes. And if you've been listening to the news, they say this is gonna be a big one. Big season, that is. So you have this large lanai, and it goes out to your very private backyard. Plenty of room to put in a pool if you'd like. And that's about it. So if you have any questions about this home, again, it's 4127 Morning Place, Sarasota, Florida. Give me a call, 941-465-9206. And you can also get some more information online at www.youkeepcommission.com/4127-morning-pl. Have a great day.